So this is the updated version. So now I will try to track this object using Dope, and will display the detection in the Unity game engine. So in Blender, this is how the object looks like. Rotation 000 and location 000, and I've also changed the pivot point, or the origin point at the center of the volume. I have aligned it in that way, and I've exported the model in Unity. uh, it is in 000 position, just as the camera. I'm expecting the after detection the object will be floating in front of the camera. That's why both are in 000 position. I'm using loop um, to for the detection, and then I have added this dope server. Basically, it's just a UDP server which sends the detection results from dope to Unity. Unity also has a uh, Unity also has a client script. It's a simple UDP client script which receives data. I can change the client IP and port number in here. Um, okay, so now let's get started. The client is ready, and let's start the server. So here is the tracking. Let's start the So this is the thing that the next step is to go forward and do the hand tracking and then display that inside Unity so that I can bring that into HoloLens, Microsoft HoloLens. This is just a preparation. I do not want to rely on the inaccurate model of hands, because I know there are inaccuracies. So, but I know this one works well. That's why in the development stage I'm using this object. Thank you.